A very good morning to my dear students. So now let us begin with practice set 30. Solve the following. Question 1. Shabana scored 736 marks out of 800 in her exams. What was the percentage she scored? So children, here we are having a girl named Shabana. Her marks are given. So she has written exam of 800 marks, and from 800 how much did she score? Correct, 736. So we know her marks. Now what we have to find out is that the percentage she scored. Okay. So first we will write down the given thing. That is, first one, marks scored by Shabana. What is that? How much? Yes, 736 out of 800. Okay. Now, what we have to find out? The percentage she scored. So, we'll write here the percentage she scored is equals to question mark. That we don't know. Okay. So, we will assume let percentage she scored, we will take one of the alphabet. For example, A percent means A marks out of 100. Okay. So now we'll write down the equation and take, that is, see, A percent, how we are going to write? A upon 100. And actually how much she has scored? Marks out of total, that is 736 out of 800. So we have to find out her percentage, and her percentage we have assumed as A. Okay. So with A we are having 100 divided by 100. So on both sides we will multiply 100. So equals to 736 upon 800. Here we multiplied 100. So this side also we are going to multiply by 100. Now next, this 100 will be cancelled with this. So we have only A at RHS is equals to, 2 zeros will go with this 2 zeros. Now we will divide. What is remaining? 736 upon 8. Okay. Now I'll show the rough work. This is your actual sum. Rough work I am going to show. Don't do it side. You will do it in rough book. But I am showing you in this empty space. You will do this rough work in your rough books. So 736 divided by 8. 8's table 7 we will not get. So we will search for these two numbers. That is 73. Do we have 73 in 8's table? No. But smaller number? Yes. 8 9s are 72. So 3 minus 2 1. 7 minus 7 0. Take 6 down. So 16. 8's table, do we get 16? Yes. 8 2s are 16 minus 6 minus 6 0. 1 minus 1 0. So what is the answer? 92. A equals to 92. So 92. A what we have assumed? Percentage, is it? So A equals to 92. A is what? Percentage. Therefore, what will be our last statement? Correct. Therefore, Shabana scored 92%. So this is our answer. Did you understand the solution of first question? So you can write it down in your CW. So take the screenshot and complete the sum in neat handwriting. Don't do the rough work in CW. Do it in your rough book. Question 2. There are 500 students in the school in Dahihanda village. So one village name is given. In that they are having a school, and in that school there are 500 students. Did you understand? if 350 of them can swim, means from 500 only 350 students are able to swim. Okay, now see what they are telling us to find out. What percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? So we have to find how many students or percent of students who can swim and who cannot swim. So first we will write the given to find out and then we will solve the sum. First we will write down number of students who can swim. Okay, so see solution to second question. Number of students who can swim. What is the number? Yes, 350 students. Out of how much? 500. So 350 upon 500. Did you understand? Now what we have to find out? Percent of them can swim and percent who cannot swim. So we have to find out percent of student who can swim and what we have to find out? Percent of student who cannot swim. Two things we have to find out. Okay, so now we will assume that let number, this we know in number, no, we have to find its percentage. So let number of students who can swim be, suppose we'll take P percent. Okay, so in number we know, in percent we have to find out. So I have written number of student who can swim be P percent, means out of 100 P students can swim. Then we are having other ratio, that is out of 500 350 students can swim. Yes, so we will write these equations and take P means P percent means P upon 100 equals to, from 500 350 students are able to swim. So we have taken ratio of students who can swim upon total number of students. So now P's value we have to find out. So with P we are having divided by 100. So we'll multiply 100 on both the side. So we'll write in this way, 350 upon 500 into 100. So both the side did we give multiplied by 100? Yes. So now 100 will get cancelled. P is going to remain. These two zeros will go with these two zeros. So what is remaining? 350 upon 5. Now we will divide with 5. Is it divisible? Yes. P equals to 5 ones are 5, 7s are 35. Cut this 0 right here. So it is 70%. So 70% students can swim. So we can write, therefore percent of students who can swim is 70%. Okay, so one answer we got. Now other what we have to find out? Correct, percent of student who cannot swim. So see, percent of students who cannot swim is equals to, so out of 100%, total means 100, is it? Total means 100. So from total 100, 70 can swim. So if we will minus this 70, we will get a number that many students will not be able to swim. So 100% minus 70% who can swim. So what is the answer? 100 minus 70, 30%. So 30% students cannot swim. Therefore, we will write the last statement. Percent of students who cannot swim is 30%. So this is our answers what we were asked to find out. Did you understand the problem? It's very easy. Now just try to solve that problem in your CW. So first take screenshot of this part and complete it. Now you can take screenshot of the remaining part, and now you can complete the remaining part of the sum in neat and good handwriting in your CW.